Wow, the sausage rolls are way too big today. Way too big. This size. And the whole pig is inside. Right, now let's clean the table and shave white. Give you 5 more minutes and get you out, son. I think it's just big almond croissants only. Almond croissant business only. These guys. This is good. Hang on, we need to tray. One more. 25. Slow. So, a bit of update. We got some good news. We got some great news. Leo the Baker now has got an app, and you can download this app. Mainly, this first stage is for the customer to pre-order. I'm so excited. Can you see him? I can't even talk. For customer to pre-order my products, bread, pastries, and everything else, and come and collect. So you can download the app and then pre-order, and then everything will be ready for you. It will be paid. Everything will be registered. I'm so excited about this because it will help me and the customer to get like nice, even. You won't need any more confirmation email, stuff like that, like orders been booked, blah, blah, blah. You just download the app. I'll show you quickly. So this is what it looks, well, let's just open here. So this is what it looks like, Leo the Baker there. So the upcoming markets, Friday, the Bull Car Park, Nigel Golf Club, and the Bell Test is Saturday. So Friday, there's 2 pop-ups. You see where. So you order, for example, let's say pre-order for, it's nothing open, more markets. Well, you can't order for this week because today's Friday, and then Saturday is tomorrow. So you can't order 2 days a day. You can't order the day before. It's already been closed too late. At least you need 2 orders. No, need to order 2 days in advance, something like that. But yeah, so this will be great. It will save me time in terms of stamping, but I'll still stamp the bag, but writing the orders on a carrier bag, and because I'll just print the label and then stack on the bag. So I'm really excited about this. If you're in UK, I mean, it doesn't matter where you are. If you're in the US, wherever you follow from, download the app. And if you're planning to come to UK they want to get Leo stuff, you can just get ahead on time, you pre-order, and you get and this is the first stage of the app. There'll be more features inside the app. But first, we're gonna serve the customer and get the business going. And then I'll serve you guys who people want to start a micro bakery or put some content in there. But this stage is now just for the customer. And this first version of the app is iOS device, meaning iPhones. But soon we get to some Android as well. So you can download an Android. But first you can download an iOS if you're using iPhone. Hey! And yes, so this is exciting. It's the next chapter for Leo the Baker. See how it goes next week. I'll see this week how it's going to play out, and customers start using the app to order the baked goods. Exciting news. Download it now.
Please get salad.
Yeah. Yeah.
There you go. Can we get 2 sausage rolls, please?
2 sausage rolls.
What are these ones that look like?
Coconuts and brioche.
Can I have a cinnamon one, please?
Sure.
I don't think that will compete with that.
Perfect. That's great. Do you just don't feel like rolls or anything like that? Just plain white rolls?
No.
No worries at all.
No. So well done. Thank you.
That's great.
Thank you.
Thank you. Morning.
Please, could you have one of the white loaves, if you've got any left?
Yes, I do.
White loaf. A lemon pizza. One of the coconut ones, I don't know what they're called.
Pounded those.
Yeah, that one.
That's okay.
On a road down, please. And a sausage roll.
Sure. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Morning, then.
Can I get this?
It's good.
Okay. Sorry, thank you. Can I get 2 sausage rolls?
Close.
Oh,
Ooh.
that one didn't want to go in the
Like,
bag,
no.
did it? And 1 almond.
An almond.
And 1 coconut.
And then
So, what's this
got
one?
pounded those.
Pound?
Pounded those.
Okay.
Okay. No,
Is it?
it's Portuguese.
That's why.
Yes, Portuguese. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you too.
Picking up Mikey?
Mikey, how is that? Did I see? You didn't run today?
No,
No?
not today, no. I've been to the gym.
There you go. We've got. Yes, thank you, sir.
Cheers, Leo. You have a
Thank
good
you.
day,
Thank
mate.
you too.
Take care.
Good morning,
I made an order. It's Michelle. Sorry.
Michelle. James, King James. Thank you. Thank you. Morning.
3 brownies.
3?
Here.
Sure. Oh, man, sure. Thank you very much.
The white sauce.
Of course. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. I'm good. How are you?
Good, thank you. Can I please have 1 pan of chocolate and 1 single?
Sure.
Thank you. Oh, sorry, I actually meant this. Is that a cinnamon?
No, it's a pan of raisin.
Oh, can you have that instead? Sorry.
Instead of.
Instead of the cinnamon.
Cinnamon,
bun.
sure.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Anyway, thanks a lot.
Thank you. There you go.
Thank you.
1 and 1.
Can I have also 2 of those?
Sure. 1 and 1 and 2 pound of those.
What would you like?
The 1750, please. Thank you. Good morning, sir.
Hello, mate. You right?
Yeah,
Can I
I'm good.
get 2 pan of chocolates, please?
2 pounds chocolate.
A what? Daniel. 3 pan of chocolate.
3.
A sausage roll. And a pan of raisin.
Sure. Very much. Thank you. Cheers. You good? Where is your order? I did your order. Hey, I gave you a seeded.
Yeah.
Seeded sourdough and almond. Yeah.
That's nice. Yeah.
Yes, I know you like the seeded, so.
Bread with the
Yeah. Seeded sourdough or signature white?
the one with the berries.
No, I didn't have this week.
You
No.
don't have this one.
No.
Which one is similar to berries? One is good one. Which one would you?
This one is seeded. It's called
Let's do seeded,
pumpkin
yeah.
seeds and
Yeah. Yeah, let's do that one.
linseed, brown linseed. That's
Okay.
it.
Can I please have 2 cinnamon rolls?
Sure.
And 3 brownies.
Sure.
Okay.
you. Thank you. Thank you. Morning. How you doing?
Yeah, good. How you doing?
Yeah.
Three sausage rolls as well.
Sure. Let's close. Oh yeah.
Always when it's like right in
Yes.
front of me.
And
That'd be a nice dinner with the added sausage rolls.
is it free? Free?
Yeah,
Sure. Thank you. No almond for Daddy today?
No. I'm trying to tell Daddy to cut down, but
Okay.
there's the almond croissants.
Two cinnamon. Well done. Thank you.
Lovely.
Thank you. Have a good weekend.
Hello.
Hi Maria. I'm good. You? Where's Maria? Yeah. One sourdough.
Can I have a sausage roll as well, actually?
Sure. Okay. Good morning.
Okay, one of those, and one of those,
An almond.
and then a one.
Sure. One chocolate. And bandages. Good morning.
Oh, what's that?
Bandages, coconuts and brioche.
Oh, I don't know now. Oh, why would you do that?
It is good. Which one do you normally get?
I would
Almond?
normally go almonds.
Yeah, that's a big fight actually. It is a big fight. Try it out because you know this already, so it's good.
Is it really like nice and chewy? Yeah, go on
It's
then.
it's nice. It's it is it
You
is
know when
nice.
I'd had my mind made up. But,
Yeah. No, it is a good. They fight each other. I'm good. You?
Yeah, good, thanks. Can I get one of the sausage rolls and one of the
Almond? Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you. Nice.
Sorry, it's
That's okay.
jumping around on the screen. There we go.
Thank you.
so much.
Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you. Just rate myself in terms of baking, prep, everything today. Was good baking, but when you get to 6:30, things get. I'm running out of time. Start packing and then come. So I was late here. I got here around, just after 8, and there was a queue already, so I couldn't film for the first, 10 minutes, 15 minutes or so. Yes. Leo gotta think. Leo gotta think. Thank you. Keep under those and the sausage. Right, thank you. Cheers. Thank you too. Morning.
Can I get a pan of chocolate, please?
Sure.
Hello, you okay? Yes, very well.
Good.
You sure you don't want anything?
That's fine. Thank you.
Well, come on, Sid, what do you want?
There you go. Please.
Can we have one of them as well?
Oh, sure.
Let's treat him to his breakfast.
Yes.
Turn it off.
Is it your party or
What are these?
Under there's coconuts and brioche.
They do look good. Sorry.
That's okay.
There we are. Happy Friday.
good news for decorating this one?
What? Is this your new one? Your
Yes, the one you ordered, you asked for, isn't it?
That sounds like you.
You've been power ordering.
Oh, it's not worked yet.
Oh, is it not?
oh shit.
Oh, yeah, sorry, it is on you. Breakfast on
Yes.
you after all.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Lovely day.
Yeah, I think it's going to be good.
Morning. I'm good. You? This must be you. Yes, I've seen you in a long time.
Keeps going. I'm not here around next week, so
Are you not?
this will keep us going for a couple of weeks.
Okay.
These are incredible.
Thank you.
Right, sorry, getting distracted. Can Can I get one of your raisin things? Sorry.
Sure, that's
My
okay.
husband will love that. Thank you. If I don't get to it first. Full treat. Thank you.
Thank you.
I only used half.
Thank you.
Failed it epically.
Dara.
Darrell, yes.
It's not I've had a chocolate. I was going to get them a brownie, but I was cut in half, so one brownie as well, please. I can have it after school.
So he won't know, and I'd be surprised. That's good.
They're just so big, aren't they? Before school, it's a bit much.
Yeah, he'll be running around the class.
Poor teachers.
One chocolate, an almond.
Olives. So good. And actually not, can I go have a brownie as well?
A brownie, sure.
Why not?
Why not?
It's Friday.
It is Friday. Thank you too. Hello, sir.
How are you?
I'm good. You?
Yeah, good, thank you.
Very good. You know you're very famous on YouTube, yeah? You? Yeah, you know I have a YouTube channel, right? No. I have a YouTube channel. So yeah, so people on my audience, they really know you. They really like you, and they're like, always, King James is coming. Did I call you King James?
Lovely weekend.
Thank you too. Enjoy this.
Yeah, mine
What?
much on Monday.
Yeah. Hey.
So you have the country. Wait, signature white left.
Signals, yes.
Yeah, I have one. I have an almond croissant,
Oh no, maybe.
a Danish. Yeah, and a sausage roll.
Sure. Hello. Oh wow. That was just proper reactive and
Dad was walking last week, so
Now the fun really begins.
exactly, yes. That's good.
I'll have two of those.
2 almonds, sure.
And a sourdough, please. Yeah.
Because I want to avoid winter again if I can.
Yeah.
It's too
Do you like
bad.
Mauritius then? Yeah.
Oh yeah, Mauritius was,
Beautiful, isn't it?
yeah. That was beautiful. Seeded brown and 2 almond.
How's your kids?
They're good, thank you. Yeah, they're good.
Yeah?
Thank
Brilliant.
you.
Nice to see you.
Thank you, nice to see you.
I'll see you again soon.
Thank you. Yes. See you soon. Bye bye. Yeah, it's time to pack up and go to Nice's now. And thank you for watching.